Good afternoon, everyone. Esteemed Principal and Regional Officer, Devi Institutions Odisha Zone 1, Dr. Keshav Chandra Satpathy, our Reward Coordinator, Madam Indira Bhattacharya, all the supervisors, my dear colleagues, and my dear students. Dear children, once Plato had rightly said that books give a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. We all know the significance of book reading and the pleasure we get out of that. It is rightly said that there is no true friend, no companion like a book. And my dear children, recently you all have celebrated Children's Day, commemorating the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And he was the man who envisaged that the children open up to a new world by reading books every day. A book not only enables you to meet new characters every time, it takes you to a different world every time you delve deeper into the books. So, with this, realizing the significance of book reading, the whole nation is celebrating Book Week from 14th of November to 20th of November, not only to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Nehru, but also to imbibe the value of book reading among the young minds. So today is the inaugural day of our Book Week celebration. And let me apprise you all, my dear children, that like every year, this year also we have a series of activities for you, starting from bookmark designing to cover page designing competition to meet the author program and many such activities for you all. Now you must be wondering that every year we used to have our book fair in the school activity hall. I'm sure you all of you remember that, isn't it? But this year, as the pandemic has made all of us restricted in our houses, we all are away from each other. You all are unable to join the school. You all are unable to come here. So you must be wondering that how this book fair can be conducted this year. Now, even we were also at a fix whether the book fair can be conducted or not. And luckily, thankfully, the Scholastic India Private Limited came to our rescue at that time with the brilliant idea of organizing a virtual book fair exclusively for you all, my dear children. So, from the core of my heart, on behalf of Devi Chandrasekharpur, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Scholastic India Limited for making it possible for all of us. And this year also, like every year, we are able to get a collection of books, though in a different way. The book fair will be a virtual book fair this time. And my dear children, today is the inaugural ceremony of our National Book Week celebration, the first day of the observation. So let me now take you to the virtual inauguration of our book fair. So it's over to the inauguration of the book fair.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I hope all of you must have enjoyed this virtual inauguration of the book fair, and definitely all of you will avail this opportunity not only to go through the thousands of books available in this virtual book fair, but also you will choose your book and buy few, and you will enjoy reading it during this pandemic situation also. Now, let us listen to the patron of our institution, to the head of our institution, our role model, our captain, our principal, Dr. Keshav Chandra Satpathy. So let's listen what Sir has to tell you all regarding this book week celebration. Sir, please.
Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary. This quote by Jim Rohn. Good afternoon, my dear children and teachers on this virtual platform. I am delighted to welcome all of you, the teachers, the parents and other stakeholders to this virtual book fair that we have organized in association with Scholastic India. This virtual platform can be accessed through the link that has already been sent to you by your concerned teachers. You can check out the books, choose from the many categories available, and even buy with the permission and guidance of your parents. The school is observing National Book Week 2020 from 14th November to 20th November, and we have planned to host of activities, competition and events to make your stay at home interesting. The pandemic has been on for a long time, and even though we got used to it, I am sure you miss the presence of your friends, and we all are missing you too. The playfulness of childhood, the innocence of friendship. My dear children, now in this pandemic situation, books are your best friends, and that will be your best friend throughout your life. Because if you love reading and if you love books, then when you feel alone, because your friends are not there with you, you can spend your time in reading the books. So that's why we say books are the best friends of life. A really good book transports you and transforms you from your surroundings. It blocks out all noise and suspends reality. It absorbs you in the story and takes you on a journey with the characters where you see and feel everything they do. Good books enriches you, and it enriches your mind too, and you feel everything good. Good books sometimes helps you in enriching your lessons. We cannot feel alone in the company of books. We can learn many good things while reading a good book. Books written by famous and experienced people help us to become a better human being and also teach us how to serve the society in the best possible way. When we are alone, we can always pick up a book. You can do so and start reading to feel relaxed. In these times of home isolation, books can help us in many ways, and I appeal all my children to read at least 4 or 5 books in this pandemic situation when you are free, not to come to the school, not able to go out also to spend time. My request to my young friends, please be apart from your course books. Please find some time to read magazines, stories, novels and journals. Apart from increasing your vocabulary, it will give you an insight into the happenings of the world around you. Follow the 20 by 20 rule of habit. If you regularly do an activity for 20 minutes a day for 20 days, a habit is formed. From the habit of reading, it will help you through life. So I appeal my students, this habit what I told you 20 by 20, at least this 20 days starting from 14th November to 4th December, you please read for 20 minutes and after 20 days you will find without reading the books you are not feeling better. You need to read something. And simultaneously, I request all my young friends, even the teachers, please read the newspaper every day and mainly the editorial part. With this, I thank you very much inviting me to this occasion. Keep a book by your side and you will always have a friend with you. God bless all of us. Let us, this coronavirus pandemic is leaving this earth very quickly and we are getting the chance to meet each other. I miss you all, my children. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. I'm sure the children would have definitely got motivated to read the books during their leisure time. Dear children, to praise you all, our principal sir is not only a voracious reader, he has also a personal collection of many inspiring books that he keeps on reading during his leisure time. Sir, we will definitely follow your lines, follow your words, and we will read the newspapers, the editorial board, as well as whenever we get time. Even I assure that our children will also lose themselves to the world of books. Thank you so much for inspiring all of us. Now, my dear children, you must be wondering that we organize this virtual book fair for you all. But how will you visit the books? How can you buy the books? What is the procedure? And so many questions might be emerging in your mind. So, to answer all your queries, we have with us a very special guest today, Madam Arpita Chatterjee from Scholastic India Limited, who will take you through the details of this virtual book fair. So, it's over to Madam Arpita.
Thank you so much, Chitranita ma'am. First of all, a very good afternoon to all of you. And we would like to thank Principal Sir, Indira ma'am, and the team DAV School for giving us this opportunity to conduct this scholastic virtual book fair for the students of your school, ma'am. Scholastic globally is committed to provide access of age-appropriate books to children and encourage pleasure reading, as we believe that reading leads to academic excellence. On our 100th year of existence, we are happy to bring Scholastic virtual book fair format for our young readers so that even when they are at home, they can continue to have access to books that they enjoy reading. Dear friends, we all are into a completely unprecedented situation. The Mother Nature wants us to stop for a while and rejuvenate ourselves and start afresh. When we are at home, we all have a lot more time in our hand than the earlier times. It's just that we have to think differently and manage our time well. And books can help us do achieve that. When the benefits of reading have already been explained by Principal Sir very well, and we all are aware of this. I'll just show you how you can actually enjoy access of virtual book fair format through your own laptops or mobiles, and you can enjoy reading your books. Let me share my screen with you all. Let me show you the invite. This is the invite you must have received from your school, and there is a link which has been given here. Once you click on this, it opens the doors of Scholastic Virtual Book Fair to you. When you click on this is how the Scholastic Virtual Book Fair platform will open in front of you. If you see, there are various age groups that are mentioned here. There are so many titles, more than 600 plus titles that are available to you that you can browse through and then order based on your liking or your interest. There are new releases, there are see more. When you click on that, there are favorite books that are being mentioned here. How you can order is just when you click on any of these titles, it will give you a small synopsis about the product so that you can understand what is the content. You can mention the number of quantities that you want to purchase. When you press on buy, it will add this title to your ordering basket. If you want to add more title, you can press on edit basket, and then you can continue your shopping. When you feel that you are already through with your selection, then you can press on checkout button. Here it will ask you to sign in with your email address. So you can mention the email address where whichever is valid email ID for you, you can do that. And then you can generate a password. If you are using it the next time, then you can use the same email ID and the password to log into your own account and order books. So I will continue to do it through my ID just to show you how you can order books. I'll mention my password. Remember, this is not your email ID's password, but your virtual book fair ID password. When you do that, it will arrange to deliver your books to your home addresses. You please specify your home address in the edit option where you want these books to be delivered. When you do that, then press dispatch to this address. You can mention the name of the child over here who's ordering the book and the class. Let's say I write 5B. Then I go to, it will give me the options of payment. How do I want to make my payment? There are card, credit card, debit card, and NEFT facility available for you to choose from, and confirm your order by making that online safe payment. Once you do that, within a week's time, you will get your books delivered right at your doorstep. Don't you think it is a very simple process to enjoy access of books right at your doorstep? Now let me share with you a very small browsing schedule with you. Just give me a second. You can even have a virtual browsing of this book fair by this is the brochure that you can actually, through which you can enjoy access of the virtual book fair tour. When you click on this icon, it will take you to a virtual tour of the actual book fair so that you do not miss the actual browsing experience. When you go down on this brochure, There are various age groups mentioned, and there are some titles that are highlighted, which I am sure you are going to enjoy reading. And not only that, if you look at it, there are some play buttons given. When you click on this, it will take you to a small video related to the book so that you can enjoy watching the video, and not only that, you can come to know what is the content of that book. So let me show you how does this video going to look like.
Plant a love of reading with Acorn Books, a new kind of reader for kids 4 to 7. These fun stories from best-selling and award-winning authors feature easy-to-read text, color illustrations, color-coded speech bubbles, fun activities. There's a series for every kid. Dragons, friendship, humor, magic. Grow confident reading.
Don't you think it is fun to browse through the books, that is from preschoolers till grade 12? You will have a variety of books to choose from and then order the books that you enjoy reading. And not only this, there will be some author sessions or storytelling sessions that we will be conducting on our Facebook page, so that you can connect with children of the other parts of the country and enjoy those sessions together. One of the sessions is already over. The forthcoming ones, we will share the information with you at the earliest. Now let me just play if I can ask Ayushman sir to play the reading song for all the students, please.
When I'm reading, I am succeeding. I pick up a book and take a look, my mind just starts to grow. When I'm reading, I feel so free, and I'm turning pages, spending ages, friends all on my own. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and read. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and read. I love to read. Any type of book, any type of theme. Study the pictures, read the words and find out what they mean. Any type of book, any type of theme. Study the pictures, read the words and find out what they mean. When I'm reading, I am succeeding. I pick up a book and take a look, my mind just starts to grow. When I'm reading, I feel so free, and I'm turning pages, spending ages, friends all on my own. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. And read and read and read. I love to read. I love to read.
Thank you, Ayushman sir, for playing the song for us. Isn't it a lovely reading anthem for all of us? So it says it all. Let's all read together and let's open a world of possible through these books. Thank you so much. We look forward to a wonderful response coming from your side towards the virtual book fair. Thank you.
Thank you, Arpita ma'am. Thank you so much for taking our children on a virtual trip to the virtual book fair. I'm sure our children must have enjoyed a lot. And not only they enjoy, they will definitely visit it in the days to come and they will choose their books and also buy few. And definitely they will lose themselves in the characters, in the world of books, and not only broaden the horizon of their intelligence, their wisdom, knowledge, but also meet new characters every time they read or hold a new book in their hand. Isn't it, dear children? Isn't the song also wonderful? I'm sure you all must have enjoyed every bit of it. Thank you so much once again, Arpita ma'am. Now, dear children, as we are coming closer to the end of this inaugural ceremony, now let me tell you that there is a very famous saying that a room without books is like a body without soul. And also it is believed that people, those who read books, they live 1,000 lives before they die. But those who do not read, they live only one life. Now, my dear children, I'm sure that this inaugural ceremony, starting from our principal sir's message to your virtual visit to the book fair, everything might have made you understand the significance of reading books. So, with the hope that all of us will not only read books but also will meet new characters, will learn from them, will enhance certain life skills like empathy, then compassion, kindness, and we will delve deeper and deeper into the world of books with each passing day. With this hope, let us end this inaugural ceremony, and I am sure that all of us will enjoy the Book Week celebration from 14th November to 20th November. But before I wind up, I must not forget to thank few people, those who have made this possible for us today. So my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of Devi Chandrasekharpur family to Scholastic India Private Limited, to Arpita Chatterjee Madam also for making this virtual book fair possible for all of us. Without your help and support, this virtual book fair would not have been possible. At the same time, I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Department of Library and Literacy Club for making it happen, for organizing these programs and a series of activities that will follow this inaugural ceremony. So once again, wish you all happy National Book Week celebration. So thank you everyone. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you.